Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to easily share bookmarks on Google Chrome for PC. So, let's get started. Step 1. To open the Bookmark Manager, simply click on the top right corner of your Chrome browser. Step 2. From the drop-down menu, select Bookmarks, and then choose Bookmark Manager. Alternatively, you can use a keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press CTRL+SHIFT+O to quickly access the Bookmark Manager. Step 3. Now, it's time to select the bookmarks you want to share. Hold down the Shift key and click on each bookmark you'd like to copy. Step 4. Once you've selected all the desired bookmarks, right-click and choose Copy. Step 5. Great! Now you can paste the bookmark URLs wherever you want to send or store them. It's as simple as that. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to share bookmarks on Google Chrome for PC. Now, you can easily access your favorite websites on any device or share them with friends. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. See you next time.